Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Anika. I'm from Shipchor. I'm basically come to at English Fantasy for develop my English basic, and also I admitted IELTS and basic. I'm a student from 23 batch. Well, now I will talk about my hometown. I am from Shipchor. Shipchor is the southern part of Bangladesh. It has been recognized as the first smart area in the Bangladesh. It is situated near at Podda Bridge. Shipchor has too much neat and clean road. Shipchor has well established learner institution like college, varsity, school, and Shipchor person is so much familiar about hospitality. Basically, I come from Shipchor and I admitted here to improve my speaking English skill, and I want to go to abroad for my higher study. That's it.